Hi, let's talk about the usefulness of an event viewer. To access this event viewer, just type in the start, then run, type event viewer, and click the event viewer. You'll have a window of event viewer. In this event viewer, you will find custom views. Okay, let me explain you what this event viewer is. It keeps track and it keeps record of all the events that have occurred on your computer. So in the Windows logs, you have a number of events, administrative 400, applications, security system, forward events, application services log, hardware events, whatever the hardware events happened in your system. Media center, subscriptions, Windows, then your application, security. It has a number of applications it has a number of events 467. Okay, even the security, let us view one of them. Security, just click one of them, and in details you will find its description. Here is the process name, VMware VM Tools ID. Then you can go above, system, expand, audit. This is an audit log. Where you can see the system time was changed. So checked account domain name, login ID, process ID, and this is the ID, host DLL, and other bunch of stuffs. Let me get this one. This you might understand information. Then let's hit the critical here. This the device, MTV device, is offline. I tried to install a phone device driver of my phone, and it failed. So so all the events are recorded. And again, critical information. Let's go to the application, or go setup, 20 events. Here, selectable, update Windows Media Player. So in this you get a lot of options to search. A lot of options like this: filter, properties, save the logs, and all the bunch of options. So this generally is very helpful to keep track of all the events that is occurring in your system. For example, this account policies, local policies, audit policies. If you enable these policies, like audit account logon events, if somebody logs on, either the audit attempts are success. If it is success, then it will create a log and it will save here.